Meaning of GPA.
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 GPA. GPA stands for Grade Point Average, which is a numerical representation of a student's academic performance in high school or college. This average is calculated by adding up the grade points earned for each course and dividing that by the number of courses taken. Generally, the higher a student's GPA, the better their academic performance. GPAs are often used by colleges and universities as a way to evaluate applicants for admission or scholarships. Some employers may also consider GPA when evaluating job candidates. A strong GPA can be an indication of a student's dedication, discipline, and intellectual ability.